Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Oracle Analytics Cloud tenancy and that your OCI user has analytics and data access permissions. Once confirmed, gather the data credentials you'll use, database host, user, password, or cloud object store keys, and any VPN details if needed. Next, open the OAC console and sign in with SSO or your OCI account. Make sure to select the correct analytics instance. This gets you immediately into the working environment where the next steps begin. Now connect to your chosen data source by creating a new connection. Pick JDBC for databases, HDFS for big data, or Object Store for files, and run the connection test. Once connected, import a sample dataset and validate column types, delimiters, and date parsing so analyzes won't break later. Use the data flow or data modeler to cleanse and enrich fields, add calculated columns, and define relationships. After that, publish a subject area so visualizations and datasets reference a clean, reusable model. Finally, design your dashboards by selecting visuals that match each metric. Add filters, prompts, and parameters to let users explore data. Once visuals look correct, schedule regular data refreshes and configure access controls so only authorized roles see sensitive datasets. Publish the dashboard and share via links or embedded code. If something goes wrong, check connection credentials and refresh logs first. Most issues are stale credentials or failed refresh jobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.